Hi, this is Matt Rogers, Sales Engineer at MeasureSquare. Today we are going to take a look at JobTrakr, our new program to help you track all of your projects in one place. Update your projects while on site through our iPad app, or review project updates from the office through your browser. Utilize your project drawings to easily track any task or activity and create timestamps of all your actions to create a paper trail for the end of your projects. Quickly jump between your project plans to see tasks at a glance. Update any of these tasks from an iPad in the field or a browser at your computer. Add custom checklists, timestamp photos, and track deadlines within each task. Generate detailed reports in seconds and instantly update your team or clients. Reports are automatically stored within each project, creating a hub for all your project reports. View project updates by task and include photos and checklists in your reports. Review your project's ongoing tasks and filter your data to drill down into any dataset. Start simplifying your project tracking. Visit jobtrakr.measuresquare.com or download the app from the App Store today.